And the first one tore a picture of a dead and hanging man who was kissing foreign fishes that flew right out from his hands. And when I put my arms around him, felt the blushing blood run through my cheeks and an eeriness around it. When his tongue began to speak, he said, "Oh boy, you are so pretty," enough to wrap tight in rice paper string. And when I finally kissed him, the whole world began to ring, lost like a bell that's tipping over, with two cracks along both sides. And I knew the world was over, so I took a look outside and watched the fires that were reaching up to the weather vanes and the tops of trees. And the waiting scene of the Sunday dream, they're all waiting here for